Hello students, welcome to online classes presented by Ketsi Public School of class 5th subject English grammar. And today we will do chapter number 5 interrogative sentences topic question tags. Earlier what we have done interrogative sentences, how to frame interrogative sentences and question word questions. And now students, today we will do question tags. अ क्वेश्चन टैग इज़ अ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन एट द एंड ऑफ अ स्टेटमेंट. तो एक क्वेश्चन टैग क्या होता है? एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन होता है स्टेटमेंट के जो लास्ट में हम लगाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, यू आर अ स्टूडेंट, आरंट यू. तो हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं एक स्टेटमेंट के लास्ट में एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है, आरंट यू. तो ये क्या है? क्वेश्चन टैग है. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन टैग्स आर यूज्ड व्हेन आस्किंग फॉर अग्रीमेंट और कन्फर्मेशन. तो क्वेश्चन टैग्स हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? किसी भी अग्रीमेंट को पूछने के लिए और कंफर्म करने के लिए. एक होता है पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट और एक नेगेटिव क्वेश्चन टैग. ये क्या होता है? जब कोई भी स्टेटमेंट पॉजिटिव होगी तो उसका क्या होगा? नेगेटिव क्वेश्चन टैग होगा. तो हमें ध्यान रखना है कि जब पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट होगा तो नेगेटिव क्वेश्चन टैग होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हैव यू क्लियर इट? व्हाट इज़ क्वेश्चन टैग एंड व्हाट इज़ पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट एंड नेगेटिव क्वेश्चन टैग. तो हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि आरंट के बाद यहाँ पे यू है, तो यू अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट लगेगा. अ सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन कम्स आफ्टर एन ऑक्सिलरी, अ मोडाल वर्ब और अ फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब टू बी. अ नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट, अ पॉजिटिव क्वेश्चन टैग. और जब नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? वो पॉजिटिव क्वेश्चन टैग में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. जैसे कि हम देख सकते हैं इज़ंट किस में हो गया? इज़ में. और मैरी शी में कन्वर्ट हो गया. तो जो सब्जेक्ट है वो प्रोनाउन में कन्वर्ट होगा. अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट वहाँ पे प्रोनाउन लगेगा. अ सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन इज़ यूज टू रिप्लेस द नाउन और नाउन फ्रेज. तो जो सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू नाउन लगेगा. कि अगर वो लड़की है तो शी, लड़का है तो ही, और कोई थिंग है तो इट. इसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें वहाँ पे यूज़ करना है. तो नाउ हेयर यू सी द एग्जांपल ऑफ पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट. यू आर अ स्टूडेंट, ही इज़ वेरी बिजी, शी वॉज हैप्पी, दे वर सरप्राइज्ड. now we have to convert these positive statement into negative question tag, because that we have cleared from that point. If there is positive statement, then we have to convert it into negative question tag. हमें एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन लिखना है जो नेगेटिव में हो एट द एंड ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट. सो स्टूडेंट, हैव यू क्लियर इट? You have to make the positive statement into negative question tag and negative statement into positive question tag. Okay students, now see, you are a student, that will come into aren't you. Here aren't is negative. You can see that are is positive and aren't is negative. Is will convert into isn't. Is positive and isn't is negative. You can see it. Was is positive and wasn't is negative. You can see it. Where is positive and where weren't is negative. So student, it is clear that positive is changing into negative question tag. Exception, I am late. So I am late, here am will change into am is positive and it will change into not amn't, it will change into aren't. Okay students, here am will not come, here what will come? Aren't will come. It is an exception case. Okay, it is clear to you that how this positive statement change into negative statement. When the modals will come, what will be the negative question tags? See here, you have studied all week, you had arrived before we left, you will pass the exam, you can speak 2 languages, you could do it for me, we must be patient, you should go now, you would like a new job. So this is positive and you have to change it into negative. Haven't, hadn't, like this it will change. Will change into want, and can will change into can't. Okay students, and could will change into couldn't. Must will change into, you tell. Must will change into mustn't, and should will change into shouldn't. Would will change into wouldn't. Okay students, here that is clear how modals are changing into question tags. Here is question tags again with positive statement. In this positive statement you see the verb is there with the tense. You speak English, so here speak is the present tense and it will change into with the form of do. See how it will change into do forms. If present tense is there then it will don't you. If another present tense is there, speaks with s, then it doesn't he. Okay students, have you understand it? If speak is there then don't, and if speaks is there then doesn't. Okay, now see another. She studied for the test, didn't she? Here studied is past tense, then it will form into did form of do. Okay, then didn't she. She studied for the test will become into question tag didn't she. They need a dictionary. John lived in Japan. Mary wants a new car. Here also you can see need, lived and wants are different types of tense, so they will come into don't they, and then what will come? Lived, didn't he, then Mary wants, doesn't she. Okay students, have you understand it how it will become? Now see here is some negative question tag statement and you have to change it into positive question tags. And earlier what we have done, we have changed the positive statement into negative question tags. So students, first we will see the statement, negative statement here. You aren't a teacher, he isn't crazy. And see here aren't is changing into are you and isn't is changing into is he. So like that, she wasn't relaxed, wasn't will change into was she. They weren't late, then weren't will change into were they. ओके, तो हम देखेंगे कि नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट कैसे पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट में चेंज होंगे. सो हेयर सम मोडाल्स आर गिवन इनटू नेगेटिव and you have to change it into positive question tags. Okay students, so start with first question. You haven't been here all week, change into have you. You hadn't done it before, then change into had you. You won't fail the exam, change into will you. You can't drive a car, can't will change into can you. You couldn't go or do it for me, it will change into could you. We mustn't say anything, it will change into must we, it will change into must we. You shouldn't be so busy, shouldn't will change into should you. You wouldn't stop me, wouldn't will change into would you. So these sentences are in positive question tags. Next, you don't speak French. Here don't is the negative statement and we have to change into it into positive question tags. Okay, now see, don't will change into, what will it change into? It will change into do you. Okay, it will change into do you. She doesn't speak Italian and doesn't will change into does she. He didn't study for the test. Here didn't will change into did he. Okay, now statements using barely, hardly, neither, no, nobody, none, nothing and seldom are treated as negative statements. Okay, तो ये जो words हैं ये negative होते हैं. Nobody went to the meeting, did they? So nobody went जो है वो negative word है, तो इसलिए वो positive question tag में change हो गया did they. नथिंग इज रेडी, इज इट, तो नथिंग भी क्या है, नेगेटिव वर्ड है, तो वो भी किस में चेंज हो जाएगा, पॉजिटिव क्वेश्चन टैग में. ओके, सो इज इट में चेंज हो गया वो. सो टुडे व्हाट वी हैव लर्न हाउ टू change the negative statement into positive quotient tag and positive statement into negative quotient tags in the different helping verbs, in the modals, and in the different tense or the do forms. Okay students, now the last of page number 17, one question is given. Complete the sentences by adding a quotient tag. So here positive statement or negative statement is given and you have to change it into quotient tag according to the question. Okay, question number 1, Tina is lovely. So here it is positive statement and you have to change it into negative quotient tag. So it is isn't she. I am lucky to have a friend like Rohit. So it is aren't I. The path was very narrow, wasn't it? I am your best friend, aren't I? Rohit hasn't got a dog, has she? So here you have seen hasn't is negative statement and you have to change it into positive quotient tag. So you have clear it how we are changing into quotient tag. So students, please revise it again from your book, chapter number 5, so that it will get more clear to you. And you have to do this question in your book at page number 17. Only one question is there. Thank you students.